In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a script for TradingView using PineScript. For anyone passionate about financial analysis or keen on customizing their trading experience, this tool is incredibly versatile and offers a range of possibilities. Let's get started right from your TradingView chart. First, let's navigate to the Pine editor to begin our scripting journey. Go ahead and open your TradingView chart. Once there, take a moment to locate the Pine Editor tab sitting comfortably at the bottom of the chart. It's your gateway to crafting custom scripts that can enhance your trading analysis. With the Pine Editor open, it's time to create a new script. You'll spot the Open button in the top right corner. Clicking on this will present you with a drop-down menu where you can choose between New Indicator or New Strategy based on what you're looking to create. If you'd prefer a fresh start from scratch, simply opt for New in the drop-down menu at the top left of the Pine Editor and select Blank Indicator Script. Now, dive into writing your code. PineScript features a syntax that might feel familiar if you've worked with other programming languages with a focus on financial analysis. Begin by defining your script type, indicator or strategy, by using the respective keywords. You'll also want to define any necessary inputs. These could be elements like moving average lengths or certain threshold values critical to your analysis. As you proceed, implement your calculations and logic. TradingView provides built-in functions and operators tailored for financial data. For example, you might want to create a simple moving average or SMA indicator. This involves calculating the average of closing prices over a specified time. Furthermore, you can enhance your script by adding trading signals. These signals might trigger buy or sell decisions, such as when a moving average crosses above or below a set level. Finally, employ the plot function to ensure your results are visually displayed on your chart. After crafting and fine-tuning your script, you're ready to save and add it to your chart. Click the Save button, or utilize the Ctrl+S keyboard shortcut to save your work. It's wise to choose a meaningful name for your script before saving it to your TradingView account, making it easier to recognize and access later. Finally, click Add to Chart and celebrate seeing your new script brilliantly displayed on your chart. That wraps it up for today's tutorial on writing a script for TradingView. Remember, the more you explore and experiment with PineScript, the more you can customize your trading tools to suit your unique strategies. Happy scripting, and may your trading journey be enriched with insights from your custom indicators and strategies.